This is the form that I'm thinking about having us do for teaching in Magenta. This would have to be managed and moderated. So I created this on our 10publications.com website. So this is what the form looks like. And right now I'm just calling it Magenta Teacher Form. We could call it something else. But I like the sound of that. And then this is just the where people would land when they first come on to the forum, the social channel, whatever you want to call it. And over here, I've put what it's about, along with some guidelines, and this all can be managed and changed. Put a picture of the book. Here I say a little bit about what we want to do here, and then give them a link to the page we're creating if they don't know what teaching in Magenta is. Here's a video of you and then the book and the buy buttons and all of that. And then eventually, if we did this community, I would want to add it to this page as well. Join the Magenta Teacher Forum. So if we go forward with this, then people would wind up. This isn't the best sign up form. We'd come up with something a little better, but I've just been tweaking this. And we'd have a nice little sales page, maybe a video from you, more about the book, more about what this is, and then we just ask people to sign up. It'll say sign up for free. We'll say what we're doing is trying to engage people in conversation. And then when they get here, they'll see, we've got topics. This can all be adjusted. The lounge is just sort of a place where people can talk and introduce themselves. And then what I'm hoping is that they will create posts, more paths. We're treating it like an open source form. So we're saying, if they go into compassion, put your topic in here, your path right here. And then on here, same thing. Add your path to embracing optimism for students. And, we'd need to help them and get this started. And you moderate it, you talk to people. I think this could be a great way to promote the book. Let me know what you think.